Okay, y'all, first and second impression of these the Jimmy Choo and Timberland collaboration. The reason why I said second impression because I already opened the box. I just want to show you guys, have a quick glance at it. Now, this collaboration just started, I think, on September 9th. It went on the Jimmy Choo website. I think some people were able to get it earlier. And I've actually seen J-Lo. It was a picture of J-Lo and Fat Joe. She had on the one with the crystals on the, what is it? The back of it, I'm gonna call it the back brim or whatever. And on the, yeah, the back brim. And then they have rhinestones on the lining of the what is it? Oh Lord, I'm gonna link the picture somewhere. I mean, at the end of this video, and of course the picture's not mine. Of course, I'm gonna let y'all know that right now, but you're gonna see it. And later on, just to let you guys know, I'm gonna show you these, but later on I will be showing you how I style them, because this is dedicated to my boutique and dedicated to style. This is separate from another channel that I have. But anywho, so let's get into it. Now, this y'all know this packaging is probably a little torn now because I have a lot of dealings. But if you can't see, you can kind of see the gleam of the Jimmy Choo in there. I can see it shining through a little bit. But that is the paper. That's the paper packaging. And keep it there for a minute so you guys can see. Okay. And oh gosh, this is gonna be a little tacky, but y'all can see that sticker. It's a Jimmy Choo sticker. But I'm gonna take that right on off. Okay. So this is what the box looks like. The box looks like. Okay. And you see that ribbon? And I collect ribbons. I'm not gonna take the ribbon and the bow off. I slid it right on off, and I'm gonna slide it off again. Okay. And so, like so, this is the box. Love the box, love the color. All right. What comes with it is actually a tote bag, a Timberland and Jimmy Choo tote bag, which I am loving. I don't know if I'm going to use it, but we'll see. And then you have an authenticity card, and it'll talk about the collaboration and how to care for your Timberlands. And then this is how inside of the box looks. I love this box. I might keep this box. I'm thinking, yeah, I love it. And as you can see, Timberland, Jimmy Choo. Okay. Okay, I'm making sure my hands are clean on this. So, if I haven't said it before, I got the cheaper option. I don't have $1,300 to spend on Timberlands. But like I said, I will link the picture at the end of the video just so y'all can see what the ones that I initially fell in love with, because I love rhinestones, and they actually went some with the stones and crystals all over the boot. So, but they were $5,000. So, so anyway, so as you can see, you can get the Jimmy Choo emblem on one side and get the Timberland on the other side. Then you get this gold Timberland symbol. Then on the brim, on the back of the brim, or the, I'm gonna learn these terms, okay? Because I am a shoe buyer, so I should know these terms, but right now I can't think of nothing. Just got for work. So anyway, so, and then you have a dust of crystal right on the face. These are so cute and feminine. I cannot wait to wear these for the winter. I'm damn sure not gonna wear these in no snow. And I don't even, where I live at, we rarely get snow. If we do get snow, it usually lasts for a while, because we don't get snow where I live at most of the time. So yeah, so I like so. I don't don't really have to just take those y'all, because I don't know, it's a left and a right one. So when I style them, you'll see what they both look like, and you'll see. So you see the Jimmy Choo, and it has like the gold imprint of his name up there. These boots are pretty cool. I think I tried them on the first time. Nah, I don't think. No, I haven't. I'm gonna be honest, I haven't tried. So I'll let you guys know when I style them how the comfort level in these, because I noticed with a lot of brands, even though I still love my Nike from when I was growing up, you know, back in, and I'm gonna tell my age, back in the 2000s, you know, Nike used to have the best comfort in the game. They, you know, they had the comfort thing on lot. Materials were bomb, but Nikes are like, they losing it. I mean, as far as that comfort level. I mean, the styles are still bomb, but the comfort level is, yeah. I want to say that some choice words, but no. So anyway, yeah. So this is, again, this is the Jimmy Choo Timberland collaboration. It retailed, the boots that I have, they retail at $595, and I'm not saying go out there and get something like this, but the other ones, the $5,000 ones, I think they're completely sold out. I don't think they're gonna make those anymore, or make any more of those. So I might be wrong, but the way it looks like, I don't look like it's gonna happen. So so yeah, so I'm loving these boots. Can't wait to style this for you guys, and look for my inventory and updates for my boutique, which is Pink Blank Space boutique. And yeah, I'm excited to share it up here on YouTube, because I can't, YouTube, yeah. Anyway, I'm glad you guys stopped by, and can't wait to style for you guys. See y'all later.